Alicia Garza is an American civil rights activist and editorial writer from Oakland, California. She has organized around the issues of health, student services and rights for domestic workers, ending police brutality, anti-racism, and violence against trans and gender non-conforming people of color. Her editorial writing has been published by The Guardian, The Nation, The Feminist Wire, Rolling Stone, HuffPost, and Truthout. She currently directs special projects at the National Domestic Workers Alliance. Garza is also the principal at the Black Futures Lab. Most notably, Garza co-founded the Black Lives Matter movement along with fellow activists Patrisse, Cullors and Opal Tometi. Alicia Garza was born in Oakland, California on January 4, 1981. Garza grew up in Oakland in a mixed-race household with a white, Jewish father and a black mother. Garza graduated in 2002 from the University of California, San Diego with a degree in anthropology and sociology. With Opal Tometi and Patrisse Cullors, Garza birthed the Black Lives Matter movement. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.